If you want to get iPhone ringtone on Realme Note 70T, then first of all, we're gonna open the Play Store. And then once we go there, we want to search for an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So we're just gonna write iPhone ringtone. There we go. You should be able to find a bunch of different apps. And in my case, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to set up the ringtone with this app over here. However, if you don't like this app that I have chosen right now, you can try any other app. They all work pretty much in a similar way. So let's open it and let's set it up. So here, let's press consent. Now let's wait for the next screen to appear. We need to grant permissions, so press allow, then OK. Let's allow system setting modifications so that the app can actually change the ringtone for us. And over here we can press play in order to listen to these ringtones. And you can try to find your favorite one. So once you find the ringtone that you wish to set, tap on these three dots on the right side, and then tap on the ringtone over here. You might see an ad in the meantime, so just close it. And then we have this information that we have set successfully, so we can press OK. And now let's go back and I'm gonna actually check if the ringtone was set up properly. So to do so, we can go to settings. Over here, let's open sounds and vibration, and we can check out the ringtone over here. And it works. As you can hear, we have the iPhone ringtone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.